Hello children, I am Vaishali madam. Today we are going to learn about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words, the things that we do, the actions that we do, the act that we perform. They are the words which are known as verbs. Okay. So now look into the book. Exercise A says, look at the following sentences. The sun rises in the east. So the word rises tells us that what the sun is doing. Okay. Number 2 says birds built nest in the trees. So built is the action done by the birds. So that is the verb. Number 3 says the hare runs fast. The word runs tells us what the hare does. Okay. Hare is rabbit. Look at the picture. Number 4 says Antara plays badminton. So plays is the action that Antara does. So the action word is the verb. So now coming to the blue box, a verb is an action or doing word and tells what a person, animal or thing does. Any action that is performed by any noun is the verb. The verbs rises, builds, run and plays are made up of only one word. Sometimes a verb may be made up of two or more than two words. Now look at exercise B. The sentence says, Number 1, the oranges are sweet. Now here is orange doing an action? No. But it's talking about how the oranges are. So here are is the verb. Number 2 says the knife is sharp. So here is the verb. Number 3 says father is happy. Is father doing any action? No, he's just happy. So is the verb. So coming to page number 40, the words are and is help to say what the oranges are or what the knife is or what father is. These words do not express any action. They just say that the people or things are something. So they are also called verbs. So similarly, is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be, etc. All of them are the verbs. So the blue box says a verb is also used to say or assert what a person, animal or thing is. Now coming to exercise C. Look at the sentences. The cat has a tail. These boys have books in their hand. Meenu had fever yesterday. So again, have, has, had also are not doing any actions, but they are the words that tell us what something or someone possesses. So they are also verbs. So the blue box says a verb tells what a person, animal or thing does, is or has. Now coming to D. Look at the following sentences. Sudha is reading a book. So the verb is reading is made up of two words, is and reading. The second sentence also has two verbs. The stars are shining in the sky. So are and shining. Similarly, the third sentence has the guest will be coming tomorrow. So here it is made up of three words. Will be, coming. All that are given in bold are the verbs. So a verb may be made up of one or two or more than two words. Okay, so this you have to remember. So now move page number 41. E. Underline the verbs in the sentences given below. There are 10 sentences. Now look at the sentences. I will be doing all the odd ones. You will be doing the even ones. Number 1 says lions roar. So roar is the action done by the lion. So this is the verb. Number 3 says the florist sells flowers. So sells is the action done by the florist. Number 5 says Mrs. Singh teaches us science. So teaches is the action done by Mrs. Singh. Number 7 says the train reached late. So reached is the verb for the sentence. And number 9 says the teacher gave us a test. So gave is the verb. And this you will try on your own. I will get back to you with the right answers, but you will try them. Exercise F says underline the verbs in the following sentences. Note that these verbs are made up of two words. So here the word verbs are made up of two words. Now here I will do the even ones and you will do the odd ones. Madhu is picking flowers. So is picking is the verb for the sentence. Is speaking. Number 4 says Sumi was dreaming of a chocolate cake. Was dreaming. It is a dream of so many children like you, na? Now the Christmas is coming, so you'll be having the cakes, right? Number 6 says I will give you a nice lunch. Will give. Okay. Number 8 says Ruby will bring apples. Will bring. Number 10. Children were playing carom. Were playing. So these are the verbs with more than one word. Again here you are going to try it on your own. Moving to exercise G. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Now here they have not mentioned whether the verbs are of single word or more than 2 words. So this is again a gist of all the things that we have learned. The baby is hungry. So what is the action? No, it is not any action. So here it is only is. Similarly, number 2 says the sun was very hot. The sun was. So was is the verb here. So I want you to try all this 10. Okay, I'll get back to you with the correct answers. Moving to page number 42, exercise H. Exercise H says fill in the blank, take the words from those given in the box below. So we have to pick up the correct word and fill in the box. For example, the teacher has said something funny. All the boys and the girls are dash. If the teacher has said something funny, what are the boys and the girls going to do? The first option is crying. Are they going to cry? No. The second is laughing. Yes. So they are going to laugh aloud. So laughing will be the correct answer. Similarly, think and try to fill in the answers. Okay. And you will get the answer keys afterwards. Try to do it on your own. Thank you, children.